Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of the Unhighlights. We have recently been updating you about COVID 19 vaccines in India, and you have all been informed about the pros and cons of each of the vaccines. As India gears up for the world's largest vaccination drive beginning from the 16th of January, here is all that you need to know about how and when you will receive your vaccine in today's episode of the Unhighlights. The Union government announced on 9th January that the COVID 19 vaccination drive in the country will start from 16th January. As per the details provided, the vaccine will first be given to healthcare workers and frontline workers in both public and private centers, followed by those over the age of 50 or those with comorbidities. After these priority vaccines are completed, the vaccine will be given to the rest of the population. But how will these vaccines be given? And how will you know when you will be getting yours? As healthcare workers are already registered in the system, the government will use the latest electoral roll for Lok Sabha and Assembly elections to identify the senior citizens and begin their vaccinations. The rest of the population, apart from the priority members, will have to self-register in the CoWIN app. This is an online app platform on which it is mandatory for every individual to register. This app has not been made available to the public yet, but it will be available in the app stores in a later phase. After registration, a fixed venue, time and date will be given to receive the vaccine. As the vaccine has 2 doses, each individual will have to go for the next vaccine after 28 days. But what will this vaccine cost us? The government has suggested that the vaccine will be free for most prioritized beneficiaries, which would include the healthcare workers and frontline workers, which means that the rest of the population will probably have to pay. But there is no clarity as to what is the exact amount that these vaccines will be available at. The government has also said that they have not come into an agreement about the price with the manufacturers. The government hopes to complete the vaccination drive for India by September 2021. However, experts say that this timeline looks very difficult to achieve with India's vast population, as the government begins the mammoth task of vaccination in India. We are sure we will come across various hurdles, but in the end, we're all hoping that our country will be COVID free and free from this fear of COVID by the end of this year. That's all for today. I'm Abhi Lakriwala. Thank you for watching TNS News. While we love bringing the news to you, we would also like to remind you about our initiative for citizen journalism. We cannot be everywhere, which is why we need you to tell us anything that you would like us to cover or any good work that you would like to acknowledge around you. Do write to us on the given email address with your stories. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TNS. You can also visit our website for more detailed news. Bye-bye.